Welcome, beautiful souls, to a space where we explore the wonders of nature and how its gifts can transform our self-care routines. Today, we're diving into the vibrant world of natural hair masks, powerful remedies that not only nurture your hair, but harmonize with a broader holistic lifestyle. In an era of chemical-laden treatments and fast-paced living, natural hair masks rise as game changers. They offer a gentle yet potent alternative for those looking to restore shine, strength, and vitality without compromising on health. Our hair is more than just strands of protein. It's a reflection of our overall well-being. Natural hair masks tap into the innate wisdom of nature by using ingredients that work synergistically to condition, nourish, and protect. Unlike synthetic treatments, these masks provide a rich infusion of vitamins, antioxidants, and natural oils. They penetrate deeply to repair damage, balance scalp health, and add a luminous shine to your locks. Across many cultures, especially within Ayurveda and other ancient wellness traditions, these natural formulations have been sacred for centuries. Modern scientific studies even support many of these age-old practices, proving that nature really does have the most elegant solutions for health and beauty. When you wander through your kitchen or herbal garden, you'll discover items like aloe vera, coconut oil, honey, and yogurt. Each of these ingredients has its own set of beneficial properties. For instance, coconut oil is renowned for its ability to reduce protein loss and moisture retention, while aloe vera soothes scalp inflammation and has a cooling effect. Honey acts as a natural humectant, locking in moisture, and yogurt provides lactic acid to gently exfoliate and condition the scalp. These ingredients don't merely make your hair look good, they help correct underlying issues, paving the way for genuinely healthy hair that radiates vitality. No two heads of hair are the same. Just as no two individuals are identical, your hair demands personalized care tailored to its specific characteristics. In this video, we'll explore how to identify whether your hair is straight, wavy, curly, or coily, and we'll discuss natural hair mask recipes suited to each unique type. Whether you're looking to tame frizz, enhance natural curls, or prevent breakage, understanding your hair type is the cornerstone of building an effective and sustainable hair care routine. So, if you're ready to elevate your hair care regimen using the purest, most effective natural ingredients, stick with us as we uncover the secrets behind each mask and guide you through every step of the process. Before we mix up our first DIY mask, let's demystify one of the most crucial aspects of natural hair care: understanding your hair type. This knowledge is not just academic. It's the foundation of efficient and tailor-made treatments that yield beautiful, healthy results over time. Straight hair characteristics. Straight hair is often shiny and naturally oily as sebum. The natural oil produced by your scalp flows easily from the roots to the tips. This hair type tends to be less prone to tangling, but can be susceptible to buildup if not properly cared for. Needs. Straight hair shines when it's naturally conditioned and free of heavy residues. However, it is also prone to breakage if styling is too harsh or if the hair becomes too greasy without enough moisture. Tailored approach. A lightweight mask that boosts shine, smoothness, and structural integrity is ideal. Ingredients like aloe vera, argan oil, and coconut oil can help balance moisture without weighing hair down. Wavy hair characteristics. Wavy hair boasts a natural bend or S shape, offering more texture and body than straight hair. However, its undulating nature means that it can be more sensitive to humidity, often resulting in frizz. Needs. Wavy hair thrives on hydration and definition. A mask that enhances natural waves, controls frizz, and gives volume without causing limpness is essential. Tailored approach emphasis should be placed on moisture and light protein treatments. Ingredients such as avocado, honey, and yogurt can help define those waves while ensuring that each strand retains its natural buoyancy. Curly hair characteristics. Curly hair is celebrated for its bounce and volume, but it is also naturally drier since the oils from the scalp have a harder time traveling the full length of each curl. Needs. Curly hair requires rich hydration, nourishment, and a mask that minimizes frizz while enhancing the natural curl pattern. Adequate moisture retention is critical to mitigate the development of split ends and breakage. Tailored approach. Use nourishing ingredients like avocado, olive oil, shea butter, and honey. These ingredients help provide deep hydration and reduce frizz while celebrating the inherent beauty of curls. Coily hair, afro-textured hair. characteristics. Coily hair is extremely voluminous, compact, and densely packed. Like curly hair, it's susceptible to dryness, but it also contends with shrinkage and breakage. Needs: the highest level of hydration and moisture retention is essential so that the hair maintains elasticity and showcases a healthy, defined curl pattern. Tailored approach: a mask rich in hydrating ingredients such as banana, coconut oil, shea butter, and argan oil helps to deeply moisturize, reduce shrinkage, and fortify each coil against friction and environmental stressors. Why identifying your hair type matters. Understanding whether your hair is straight, wavy, curly, or coily isn't a luxury. It's a necessity for personalized care. Each hair type has its own set of challenges and needs. For instance, while a protein-rich mask might benefit straight hair by strengthening its structure, the same mask might cause curly or coily hair to become overly stiff and dry. Tailoring your mask to match your hair type ensures that each strand receives exactly what it needs to flourish. By paying attention to these details, you also empower yourself to make informed decisions about your overall hair care regimen, a key step toward natural beauty and wellness. Let's now dive into the heart of our journey: versatile, natural hair masks tailored to each hair type. These recipes are formulated with care and intention to meet the unique needs of straight, wavy, curly, and coily hair. Whether your goal is to maintain silky smooth straight locks, define your waves, or deeply nourish your curls and coils, these natural recipes offer something for everyone. For straight hair, enhancing shine, smoothness, and strength. Straight hair, while naturally radiant, often grapples with issues like oil buildup and susceptibility to breakage when exposed to environmental stressors. The key here is to balance moisture and protein without overloading the hair with heavy substances. Natural mask recipe: aloe, vera coconut oil, and argan oil elixir. For this, you'll need 2 tablespoons of fresh aloe vera gel, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, warm it slightly for easier blending, 1 teaspoon of argan oil, and a few drops of lavender essential oil for aroma and scalp-soothing properties. Aloe vera helps soothe the scalp and promotes hydration without weighing hair down. Coconut oil penetrates deep into the hair shaft, reducing protein loss and imparting shine. Argan oil, loaded with vitamin E and essential fatty acids, reinforces the hair cuticle, diminishing breakage and split ends. How it works. When applied to straight hair, this lightweight mask nourishes each strand from root to tip, balancing oil levels while imparting a natural shine. The delicate blend ensures that your hair remains manageable, smooth, and resilient to the daily stresses of styling and exposure. For wavy hair. Enhancing definition, controlling frizz, and boosting volume. The challenges of wavy hair. Wavy hair holds a unique texture that can easily veer into frizz, particularly in humid conditions. The goal for wavy hair care is to nurture the natural pattern while providing hydration and nourishment that maintains its movement and bounce. Natural mask recipe: avocado honey and yogurt whip. Ingredients: 1 ripe avocado, mashed thoroughly, 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt, 1 tablespoon of raw honey, and 1 teaspoon of olive oil. Benefits: avocado is packed with vitamins A, D, E, and B6, offering rich hydration and softness. Yogurt provides lactic acid to gently exfoliate the scalp, removing dead skin cells while conditioning the hair. Honey is a natural humectant that locks in moisture, leaving curls soft and manageable. Olive oil encourages volume and adds a subtle shine without weighing down the natural curl structure. Mix these ingredients to create a smooth blend that enhances your wave's natural definition. This mask not only tames frizz, but also infuses your hair with a boost of hydration, ensuring that each strand bubbles with vitality even on those humid days. For curly and coily hair, deep hydration, moisture retention, and shrinkage control. Curly and coily hair types need extra moisture because the natural oils from your scalp do not travel as easily down the length of your hair. Without sufficient hydration, curls can turn into dry, brittle strands that are prone to breakage and shrinkage. Natural mask recipe: banana, shea butter, and coconut milk miracle. Ingredients: 1 ripe banana, mashed until it is very smooth, 2 tablespoons of coconut milk, 1 tablespoon of shea butter, melted gently, 1 teaspoon of argan oil, and optionally, a pinch of turmeric powder for added antioxidant properties. Benefits: banana is rich in potassium, helping to soften hair and reduce breakage. Coconut milk provides essential hydration, vitamins, and minerals that nurture each curl from the inside out. Shea butter locks in moisture, providing a protective barrier that preserves hydration levels, especially in drier conditions. Argan oil further strengthens each strand, minimizing shrinkage and promoting elasticity. Turmeric, if you choose to add it, offers anti-inflammatory benefits and antioxidants that can boost scalp health. Applying the natural hair mask for curly and coily hair can be a transformative experience. To get the most out of your mask, start by dividing your hair into manageable sections. This ensures that every strand gets the attention it deserves. Apply the mask generously from root to tip, making sure to massage it gently into your scalp. This not only helps with even distribution, but also boosts circulation, promoting healthier hair growth. For best results, cover your hair with a shower cap and let the mask sit for at least 30 minutes. This allows the ingredients to penetrate deeply, providing maximum hydration and nourishment. Finally, rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water and follow up with your favorite conditioner to seal in the benefits. With regular use, you'll notice your curls becoming more defined, bouncy, and full of life. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more natural and homemade beauty tips, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Stay beautiful naturally. This deeply nourishing mask is a moisture powerhouse designed specifically for curly and coily hair. When applied, it fills each curl with hydration, reduces frizz, and ensures that even the tightest coils remain defined and vibrant. The result is hair that feels softer, looks fuller, and exhibits a natural bounce that speaks volumes about its health.